Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location and Bluetooth access so turn-by-turn audio reaches your helmet. Next, tap directions and enter your start and end. If you're already riding, use current location. Once done, select driving. Make sure to open route options to avoid highways or tolls. You're doing this now so the app calculates motorcycle-friendly alternatives. Finally, set a departure or arrival time to factor in traffic and get realistic ETA. This helps plan fuel and rest stops. Now refine the ride. Add waypoints for fuel, scenic overlooks, or cafes so your route reflects real needs. You can drag the blue path to 4 secondary roads. Do that when you want twisties or safer shoulders. Once adjusted, inspect critical segments with Street View and satellite imagery to verify road width and surface. This reduces surprises. Before you leave cellular range, download the map area for offline navigation and save key POIs like gas, food, and a repair shop. You're ready to start navigation. Press go and confirm voice guidance and helmet audio levels so prompts are audible over wind. During the ride, monitor ETA and traffic alerts. Google Maps will reroute automatically, but you can tap alternate routes if you prefer a different road. Make sure battery saver won't kill GPS. Use a handlebar charger. If GPS or audio fails, pull over safely, then toggle location services, reconnect Bluetooth, or switch to the downloaded offline map to regain guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.